Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you some five charts which are all related to the PSU sector, public sector, and these are looking pretty decent. Some PSU stocks which are looking good to give some 25 to 30% gains, and it's a mix of both banks and other public sector stocks. So the stocks which I'm going to show you are BEL, BHEL, Canara Bank, Hindustan Petroleum, and Bank of India. So let's start. So the first one which I'm going to show you is BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. So I've already drawn some few trend lines. So if you see, it has already made an symmetric triangle breakout, and also if you see this straight line, this has been acting as a resistance, but it has broken that resistance today with pretty decent volume. So the pattern target. So how can we know the pattern target? Actually, few of the members have asked this question. So the pattern target comes like this. So this is the low point, right? Here, this is the starting point of the lower trend line. So this is around 58, and this is the upper point of the upper trend line, and it's around 87. So 57 to 87, that comes to 30 points, and the breakout point is here around 73. So the target will be 73 plus 30, which comes to 103. And if you see here, this is the resistance zone. If you can see it, here the stock has made a gap down. It has fallen around 10%. So obviously this acts as a resistance zone. And see, this is around 100 level again. And our target is also 103, around 100. So as per this pattern and the resistance zone, the target comes to around 98 to 100, like that. So around 96 to 100 range. There's a target. So from the current price is 75. 75 to 100 is a pretty decent target, around 30% gain you can get from BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. The next stock which I'm going to show is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrics Limited, Electrical Limited. So again, let's draw some trend lines. You can see here, even in these stocks, the volumes here are pretty good, pretty strong. So my target for BHL comes to around 26. That's around 25% upside from the current price. Current price is 22. So I'm expecting it to reach 26 to 27 target BHEL. So the next stock I'm going to show is Canara Bank. Again, drawing some trend lines. My goal is to make trading pretty easy or look pretty easy. I don't use various targets and I keep it very simple. Again, strong volumes for 2 days and a breakout today. So the current price is 92. I'm expecting it to reach around this zone, around 125 to 128. I'm expecting it to reach till 125 around. That is another 30% upside from the current price. Canara Bank. The next one is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. Again, a pretty good breakout in drawing some trend lines. So if you see here, the stock has been struck in a range. See, it has fallen from here, went to this resistance line, came back, again went to it, failed, again came down, again went up. So if you see here, finally it has broken that resistance, but the volumes are not very good, but still it's a decent breakout. So how will we get the target for this channel resistance breakouts? So if you see the lower trend line is at 165 and the upper one is at 220. So 220 minus 165 comes to 55 points, right? Yeah. So the breakout point is at 220. So 220 plus 55, 275. So the target comes to around 275. That means around 25% above target. And the final stock which I'm going to show is Bank of India, public sector bank. So drawing some trend lines again. Again, this stock has been trading in a range, and look at the volumes today, crazy volumes. So it has made a breakout with a very strong volume, but there is some resistance here. It has tested that and came back, but the volumes are looking very good. So if it sustains above 36.5 like that, then it would be very good. So keep an eye on this stock. And the target comes to this zone, which is around 46 to 47. So 36 to 46 is again pretty good target, about 30% target. Bank of India. So hope the charts are clear. So the five stocks are, please make a note: BEL, BHEL, Canara Bank, Hindustan Petroleum, and Bank of India. And the targets vary from 20 to 30%. Actually, some people have commented on my Twitter today saying that they need some views on some other PSU stocks like Bank of Baroda, etc. Uh, as per me, from the PSU sector, these five are looking very good, very strong, with good volumes. The others are not looking as strong as this, but still they might move or they might not move. I deserve the right to be wrong. So these are the five stocks from the PSU sector, according to me. So if you have any doubts, you can feel free to comment below. I'll respond to them. So thank you guys. Have a profitable trading week. See you.